How to pay people with Apple Pay. Let's get started. With Apple Pay, you can easily send money to friends and family right from your iPhone. All you need is the Apple Cash feature set up in the Apple Wallet. So launch your Apple Wallet, click on the plus option. Now from this list, select any of it and add your card. Either you can scan the card or enter the card details manually. Once you do that, you can launch your Messages app. Now click on this plus option, select the option Apple Cash. Now enter the amount you want to send, tap Pay, then review it. To send the payment, just authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The money goes straight to their Apple Cash card, which they can spend using Apple Pay or transfer to their bank. It's a fast, secure way to split dinner, pay rent, or cover any quick expense, all without needing to switch to a separate payment app. Just make sure both you and the person you are paying have Apple Cash set up. For extra help, check your wallet settings or visit apple.com. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.